Woodland Mills, HM 122, Backwoods Beauty Woodcraft, Oklahoma, pink, Oklahoma, right?
Yeah, it's pink Oklahoma.
Right. This is Wyatt, the camera guy.
Yes.
Right. What are you gonna say to YouTube for your first YouTube video?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Tell them how you think about your dad.
I think it's really awesome.
Yeah. All right. Here, you're gonna be the camera guy. You can watch us tear up some wood, right?
Yep.
All right. No bad language with the commentary, please.
Okay.
Cheers. So, what we're doing now is we're flipping the log. We're making some 2x4s. It's gonna be awesome. Wyatt, you can talk to him if you want. You're gonna be the star.
Yep. We're gonna make 4x4s.
2x4s.
Oh, I thought you said 4x4s.
You can show them my shop and tell them about it. All of it if you want.
Okay.
The shop, not that shop, son, the one we're building.
Oh.
Make sure you watch what the camera's doing the whole time, buddy.
Okay. So, it's my dad's shop he's working on. We have another one that's made out of Conex. Right there. Let me just give you a little tour real quick. It's not really that stable, so I have to be careful. Not to break these because my dad's working on this. See, this is the tricky part. You have to get right here. And this is the entire shop by itself. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go back.
Hey, aim the camera where you're walking so people can see they don't want to look at the ground, huh? Alright.
It's gonna be so fun, guys. It's gonna be so fun. Honestly, bro.
Your turn. Do what you do. There's another piece at the end. Now blow it off with the blower. It's below your feet. Hey. job, buddy.
Thank you. Sit on a little chair, and Dad's over there.
Put that one. Ooh, easy, killer. Just put that one on the ground right there by your feet. We'll deal with that later. All right, blow it off and then undo the things. So I'll tell you all a little bit about the saw. They come really short. Me and my brother Matt made an extension. I can do 22-foot cuts, which is a pain in the ass, mind you, but pretty slick. Nothing's concreted in, high maintenance, constant re-level, but we do it good. About 5 months in, and obviously it's working out well for us as far as selling goes. Not great, but if I get this little handsome young man to start selling my wood for me, right? Bet you could, right?
Yeah.
Tell him how you do it. If he's going to sell the wood, tell him how you do it. How would you convince me to buy a piece of 1x cedar?
1x cedar?
Yeah, how would you convince me? Why should I buy your wood from you?
I'd probably sell it for like $50.
I know, but why should I buy it from you instead of someone else? What makes ours better than anybody else's?
Because cedar is a lot better wood.
But what makes our cedar better than anybody else's? Because everybody else has got it too.
No idea.
No idea. We got to come up with something. That's what a salesman does. All right, camera shy. Don't want the whole world to know how good you are at selling things, huh?
I never even sold a PS5. What do you mean?
A PS5? How would you sell a PS5? Dude, if you got a PS5, you'd never sell it. What's your favorite game to play?
Call of Duty and Raccoon?
Okay. What's your handles? Or anybody that wants to jam with Wyatt on PlayStation, who would they look up on the...
By original friends.
I know, but what's your name on PlayStation?
Gary Whiskey.
Gary Liskey. Right. Who's that?
You.
Am I the best?
Yes.
Damn right. All right.
Let's get back.
You gotta undo, here, give it to me. You gotta undo that bar, so you gotta turn them this way. See this? No, put that down. See this thing? You gotta undo that. It's right there. Yep, there you go. We're gonna teach this boy how to cut wood. Other way. Pull it towards me. There you go. Hard work, isn't it? Good job, buddy. We're gonna see if old Wyatt can flip this log by himself. We got a lot of work to do today. One more cedar and some oaks. All right. Pull it from the bottom. If you pull the bottom out. Woo! Slick hands, boys. Slick hands. You're fast. All right. Now, pull it this way. Hold on. Push it in first. There you go. All right. Now, flip it. Good job. All right. Now push it tight up against those. You got it. Come on. Do one side at a time. There you go. Good job, buddy. Alright. Alright, we gotta lower these dogs. Here, hold this real quick. Hey, hold on. Hold this real quick. Gotta lower these dogs so we don't hit them with the blades. That one. Pretty heavy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You did pretty good though, bud.
At least I have slick hands.
Man, you were really fast. Aim that camera. No one wants to look at the ground when they watch a video. Yeah, you had pretty fast hands, man. Good video highlight right there. All right. So when you put these on, I always pick them up like that, and I hold it down here at the bottom, and I slide it real fast. Nope, nope. We want to go low so we don't have to move them again. All right. Pull it back out. It's right there. Now push it. Bottom first. Now turn it. Yeah, there you go. And Dad's gonna make it to where I can move the handle for you so you can reach it and do it too. So I'm not gonna do that tonight. But oh, sounds like Mom's home.
Sounds like Mom's home.
Tell everybody what you think about your mom.
I think my mom is the greatest in the world. You too, Dad.
Oh, thanks. What makes your mom so great?
Because it provides for family and you.
This sounds scripted for some reason. What's your favorite thing about your mom?
Favorite thing?
Favorite thing?
That's because she's the best.
All right. All right, you ready to take over the camera? No more pointing at the ground?
Yep.
Tell Mom later on that we need the GoPro so we can set it up. It'll make videos so we have two angles all the time.
Yep. We have slow-mo angles and fast angles.
Over here. Good job. Air it off. All right, Wyatt. Tell them thanks for watching our first video ever.
Thanks for watching our first video ever.
Yeah. Say we'll be back.
We'll be back.
And I'll do better at cameraing.
And you'll be better at camera.
I will?
No, I will.
Oh, it's up, man. See, boy, I think you're slick, son. All right, guys. Stay tuned for more Wyatt and Backwoods Beauty.